Hi guys اتمنى ان تكونوا بخير. سلام، امیدوارم حالتون خوب باشه. In this clip we want to learn how we can write Arabic and Persian letters in Unity. Okay, we should take a look at this package, Arabic Support Unity with I will share the link of this project in the description of this video. You just need to download the zip file, and after that import the Arabic support folder into your projects folder. After that we should come back to this point. At this Arabic support folder we have scenes and two different sample scenes. Let's take a look at the first one. As you can see, we have here Arabic 3D text, Hindu numbers, and Persian one. It is the Persian one. At this part in the Arabic 3D text, we have written the Arabic words with numbers, and we're gonna use fixed Arabic 3D text for fixing first right to left, and after that combining the letters and make the fixed Arabic words. We are using fixed Arabic 3D text here, which is here in the void start we will get the text mesh, just fine, and we will say string fixer text is equal Arabic fixer. This is the library from using Arabic supports. Dot fix, it is the content of the text mesh, and in here we will say, okay, show Tashkeel, the fixed words, and show the numbers. If these guys are true, it's gonna be fixed numbers and fixed words. If one of these guys are false, it's gonna be still English. And in here we will write back the fixed text as a text of that text mesh here. We can call this function at any script we want. Okay, let's see the result. Excellent. At the Persian part, I said Mesihi Protestan Cumhuriyet Czech و Gürcistan. G, Ch, P. They are still contains of this text. And in here, as you remember, it was English numbers, this guy, but they are Arabic and even almost Persian. And in here, as you can see, there here this is the Arabic words, and with added actions as well, a, o, and natural. It is truly beautiful and easy to use, because we don't need to have any word converters or font and different fonts here, because we are already using the Arial font of the Unity itself. But it works with text mesh, game object, 3D object, legacy, text mesh. Alright, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. مع السلام، خدا نگهدار.